Hello and welcome to E Prime. I'm Daedran. Ernie gives back. Legendary musician Ernie Smith donated a check in the amount of $60,000 to the Jamaica Association of Vintage Artists and Affiliates, Java. The check is the year's dues and insurance for 5 Java members. Ernie made the donation following his performance at the recently staged Live United concert held at the Carl Hendrickson Auditorium.
Being inside on a rainy, rainy night, holding your baby tight. Well, I have. Have you ever had your dreams, long forgotten schemes?
The donation is the first of 5 contributions to be handed over by the singer. Ernie Smith this year marked his 50th year in the music industry and is known for songs such as Dopey Gunman, Pitter Patter and more. Reggae superstar Protege has released a new limited edition of Blood Money merchandise. The Bloodline collection by Protege includes 4 designs featuring various illustrations from hard-hitting tracks. The merchandise is now available on his website protege.com. The artist made the announcement via social media recently. An Island Christmas with Tosh, Alexander and friends. Recording artist Tosh Alexander has assembled a star-studded cast for the presentation of his latest body of work. The 5-track EP covers several Christmas classics and features Christopher Martin and Romain Virgo. The compilation is presented on the Co-Worker J.A. musical imprint and is distributed by Zodiac worldwide. Tosh Alexander is known for the collaborative single 911 with Kimani Marley and a number of international projects with artists such as Nicki Minaj, Flo Rida, Pharrell Williams and more. And on the international scene, Beyonce hits Billboard #1 for the first time in 9 years. Billboard magazine made the announcement yesterday that the #1 song on this week's Hot 100 chart is a song featuring Ed Sheeran, a remix of his song Perfect, which is now the #1 song in America.
Beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in.
Beyonce's last stint at #1 was in 2008 with her massive hit single Single Ladies, which stayed there for 4 consecutive weeks. And that's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.